So this is the video without the ring light. So turn on. So that's the light. Oh my god, it's so bright. Hi guys, it's Meredith George again. So I'll be doing another gadget unboxing, and this time is the ring light. So everyone or every vlogger needs a ring light. So previously I don't use any ring light. This is the first time that I'm gonna use ring light for my vlog. So I'm so excited to open what I ordered. So let's open this. Okay, I got this ring light from Hogan. So with the box, I got a 10 inches ring light. I got it on sale for $39.99 Aussie dollars. Okay, so what's inside? Hogan manual, user guide. Okay, the warranty. Let's open the user manual so that we know the parts. So what's inside the box? So we have, okay, so this is for the selfie stick. Yay! Okay, this is for the postable holder. Okay, the remote control, Bluetooth remote control. So these are the mount. Of course, small tripod, and the ring light. Yay, finally! I'm really struggling with my light, so as you can see, I just use natural lights or our fluorescent lights. So let's try. I can't wait to try this. So with the ring light, I discovered that you cannot charge it. So I use my power bank to use it. So plug the USB and you can turn on and off the button here. So turn on. So that's the light. Oh my god, it's so bright. So you can adjust the brightness. So there's a plus and minus button here. Also, it has a temperature button. It has cold, warm, and sunlight button. So it can change from this, like a yellowish sunlight, to maybe cold and warm. So let's try the cold. Yeah, whitish color, and maybe let us lessen the light because it's so bright. So let us lessen. Okay. So let's take a video to test with and without a ring light. So this is the video without the ring light. And this is the video with the ring light. Yeah, it's so bright. So, yeah, I can put this behind my phone next time. Or I can also use this like a phone holder that's included in the package. So maybe I'll screw this here like this, and you can put your phone like this. Yeah, so you are ready for a selfie. Yeah. So for me, it really made a massive difference using a ring light. So as you can see, I'm using it right now, and it's really changed it dramatically. So I will still continue using this one. So yeah, I love it. So I love my new purchase. So I hope that you get some tips from this. So I'll see you on my next gadget unboxing.